Hi everyone, my name is Leonardo Leite. I'm a PhD student at the University of São Paulo in Brazil, and I'm going to talk about our research on DevOps. We are developing a taxonomy of how to organize development and operations in the context of continuous delivery. We have found 4 structures, but we'll get there. Let's talk before about the motivations of our work. This is one of the first articles about DevOps, and Humble, one of the authors, is a key reference on the topic. In this article, the authors advocate cross-functional teams, small units containing both developers and operations. However, they also talk about practice for strengthening the collaboration on development and operations, including operators attending agile ceremonies and developers contributing to incident solving. But how much sense does it make to celebrate this practice in a cross-functional team? This duality has caused some confusion. Some people understand DevOps as an effort of collaboration on different areas of a company. In contrast, others understand that DevOps means devs and ops together in a single team. This is our survey of DevOps literature that we published in the ACM Computing Surveys. In that paper, we found only a few works tackling the problem of how to organize development and operations considering DevOps, and most of them without following scientific guidelines. So we wanted to go in the field with a scientific approach to discover which organizational structures a software producing organization adopting for managing IT technical teams in a continuous delivery context. We also would like to have an idea about how our continuous delivery is working in these structures, so we decided to check the delivery performance of the organizations too. For this, we interviewed 20 people from different roles, countries, genders, and years of experience, working in organizations of different types, sizes, and domains. We selected the participants and analyzed the interviews by following the principles and methods of grounding theory, a rigorous and systematic methodology used for research in software engineering. We also followed the guidelines prescribed by ROF for building taxonomies. And this way, we got our 4 organizational structures. In the silo department structure, there is a limited collaboration on departments and barriers for continuous delivery. In the classical DevOps structure, there is an intense collaboration on developers and infrastructure team. We named this structure like this because we understand that a culture of collaboration is the core concern of DevOps, as we found out in this and other work of us that also follow the grounding theory principles. Cross-functional teams are self-sufficient teams in charge of both development and infrastructure management. In the platform team structure, the infrastructure team provides highly automated infrastructure services to empower product teams. We also found organizations transitioning from one structure to another. The most similar related work is from Shahin and colleagues. The most relevant difference to our taxonomy is the absence of platform teams. Therefore, our taxonomy presents 2 major benefits. 1. It makes clear the difference between classical DevOps and cross-functional teams, which have been blended under the term DevOps. 2. It highlights the platform team as a distinctive choice for organizations. Moreover, we started an analysis of delivery performance that can reveal more about the structures. For a while, the platform team is a promising way to achieve high delivery performance. But we are still conducting more interviews, so we can reach theoretical saturation and notion of grounding theory. We are also discovering sub-patterns that refine the structures. Finally, we are getting feedback from interviewees and practitioners on our taxonomy. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to discuss this research topic, don't hesitate in contact us. And please don't forget to take a look at the other videos of X2020 poster track. See you!